Okay, this is Chris opening her present.
I know.
You might want to get some scissors.
Mommy, do we need to get some scissors?
Yeah. Mario, can you get some scissors?
I can.
Yes, Mario. Oh, he's gonna help you, Mommy. Here's me.
Oh, yeah, here's a knife right there, Chris. You're gonna need it because you're gonna get upset about it.
I'm playing. Nobody notices that because it looks just like a key when you pull
It does look like a key, actually.
Yeah.
There's Sammy.
And it's from
Helping?
Walmart for $4.
No,
Then
not
you
helping.
help.
Hi, Sam.
That is nice.
Watch what Sammy.
Mira. Hey.
Oh, for
That is awesome.
Wait, it's upside down.
I'm not doing
Cuchillo.
What is it, Sammy? What is it?
Sammy's like, I help.
Paper.
How many more boxes are there?
This is the last one. I wrapped it. Sammy, get out of the way.
I knew that was coming.
You should take the box and maybe there's something else.
So we did hyper.
It's the sugar rush.
Sugar rush.
Kobe's like, hurry up.
He's licking your hand. No, mueve. Okay, pues. I'm just saying. Bye-bye.
I see another box in there.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
Maybe you should start stacking them up here.
You're getting a bunch of boxes. Yeah. I guess they're giving you a hint. They want you to move out.
This is box number 4.
Oh my goodness, Chris. Well, it wasn't the panda.
Now we don't know what it is now.
3 minutes in. About a minute per box.
I got 2 more.
minute per box.
You can tweet.
Oh, we're getting to the end. Oh.
Oh,
Oh my God!
That was exciting for a second.
that is awesome.
Sammy wants to change his channel. He doesn't like Simpsons.
This is box number 5.
Uh-oh.
Mommy, are you upset already?
Look!
What do you mean, look?
Look downstairs!
There's no one in the box.
Look through those!
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm like, tell me I put it in there.
It's money, Chris. That's what it is.
Okay, be careful ripping this now. I put a note up front you were supposed to read.
Read it out loud. Read it out loud. Read it out loud.
This is it. Don't rip it. Hold your hand. Don't even read it.
Don't rip it.
I sacrificed myself for this. Easy. Boom.
Read it out loud.
Ale, you're in the way on the video. It's La Macarena.
Oh, is that what it is? Read it. Read it.
Yeah, she read it.
Oh, cuidado.
Hey, careful.
Oh my God, more packaging.
More unwrapping.
To make it exciting.
Can't handle being.
I know my daughter. I think she's upset.
Oh my God.
It's a lottery ticket. How much money did you win?
How much did you win? What is it? What is it for?
Mommy!
Are you crying?
Do you want to go to Disneyland? Lady Gaga. Tickets. What's up?
Mommy, what is it? Why are you crying?
Are you happy?
I want to see Errol Smith.
Now, Bon Jovi comes in March. You know, maybe you could pay me back. I'm kidding, Chris.
Chris, why are you crying?
No, me gusta Lady Gaga.
After all this work.
Oh, God.
It's not Michael Jackson, but, you know.
Ya se murió.
Yeah, sorry.
It's close enough.
It would have been all light if
Kinda
it would have
looks
just
like
been
me.
Michael Jackson.
Mom, you gotta bring your presents.
Right, okay.
Smile.
Wait, let me go get you.
You didn't